today our lab is going to be based on VTP and DTP, VLAN trunking protocol and dynamic trunking protocol. So we have this lab. We have 3 switches: switch 1, switch 2, and switch 3. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 computers. So we have 3 computers in VLAN 10. We have 2 computers in VLAN 20, 2 computers in VLAN 30, and 2 computers in VLAN 40. So the ports between the switches, we're going to make them trunk, and any port connecting to a PC or to a host will be configured as an access port. So to be quick, let us draw the topology. So I'm launching Cisco Packet Tracer. Alright, so quickly we're going to select 3 switches, 29, 60, and we're going to rename it quickly: switch 1, switch 2, and switch 3. Okay, so these are 3 switches. So we're going to connect the switches. So for now I'm going to use straight through, but you can go ahead and use crossover since it is the same device. So connection between the switches, I'll use gigabit Ethernet ports. So you can see I'm connecting the gigabit Ethernet ports. Okay, alright. So those are our 3 switches. Now we need our computers. So we have 2 computers which is connected, 3 computers connected to switch 1. So quickly we shall go to end user. So bring 3 desktop computers, and we're going to connect it to a switch. So from the PC, I'm using fast Ethernet ports to connect the end host. So this will be on port 3 to PC 2 already. On switch 2, we have 2 computers that are connected in VLAN 40. Now we shall bring 2 computers up here, and we shall connect them 0/1 plus Ethernet 0/2. On switch 3 we have 4 computers. We shall bring 4 computers here: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so again we're going to connect those computers. So we have 1, 2. So to quickly select cable, and we keep on adding without selecting again. Once you select the cable, you press Control. Keep on pressing Control so that you can, no need for you to reselect the cable again and again. Just select the cable, then you press Control, and that is it. Okay, so we're going to bring our labels and fill color. I'm going to make it green. So this will be our VLAN, VLAN 10. So all the computers that are in green color will be part of VLAN 10. I'm going to change the color quickly to light yellow So let's say VLAN 20, the computers in VLAN 20, change the color quickly to pink. So this will be computers in VLAN 40, and change the color quickly to, let's say, orange. Right, this will be VLAN 30. Okay. So close that, select. So we're going to label is VLAN 10, the network is 10.0.0.0/26. So I have the first IP .1, second IP .2, that IP .3. VLAN 20, so just label this VLAN 20. So the network /26. So the first IP here is .65. This IP here is .66. Okay. VLAN 30. VLAN 30. So the network is 10.0.0.128/26. So the first IP is .129. The next IP is .130. For VLAN 40, so type VLAN 40. The network is 10.0.0.192/26. So the first IP is 193. The next IP is 194. Okay. So this is our network or topology. Now let's move to configurations. So objective 1, configure the switch ports connecting switches as trunk ports. So these ports that are connecting the switches, we need to make them trunk ports. So I'll go to switch 1. So enable configure terminal. Interface gigabit 0/0. Interface gigabit 0/1. Sorry. So 0/0 is an interface that belongs to a router, not to a switch. That's why it is giving me invalid interface type. So switch port mode trunk. So this way we have configured this port as a trunk port. Exit. So to confirm, we show interface trunk. You can see G0 interface G0. This one is trunking the status. Okay. So close out. Let's go to switch 2 and do the same. So for switch 2 we have two interfaces that needed to be made trunk. We have G0/1 and G0/2. Enable configure terminal. Interface range to select more than one interface. Gigabit 0/1 to 2. Enter. Switch port mode trunk. Okay. Exit. Do show interface trunk. Now you can see we have G0/1 and G0/2. They are trunking. So they are trunk ports right now. Okay. Can exit out. So So let's go to switch 3. So for switch 3 we have G0 stroke 2 that we need to be what? Trunk. Enable, configure terminal, interface G0 stroke 2, switch port mode, trunk. Okay, exit, show interface trunk. And you can see G0 stroke 2 is now trunking. So this is the first objective. Now following up with objective 1, we need to disable Vtp on the ports, and we need to confirm the administrative and operation mode of each interface. So let's go to switch 1. Let's go to switch 1. Let's type configure terminal. Let's go to interface G0 stroke 1, switch port, sorry, the command is in the previous mode, show interface switch port. Okay, so starting with first Ethernet 0 stroke 1, switch port mode is enabled, and the administrative mode is dynamic auto. That means this is a new switch. So the administrative mode is what? Dynamic desirable. That means it will try to form a trunk. It will not try to form trunk with what is connected to it. And the operation mode is what? Static access. Now the administrative trunking and encapsulation is .1 queue, and the operation trunking encapsulation is native. Now the negotiation of trunking is on. Okay, so this is what we need to disable. We need to disable the negotiation of trunking. Okay, so if you go down, so for example, interface first time 0 stroke 11 is having the same information. So to disable, so go to conf-t interface range first Ethernet 0 stroke 1 to 24, comma G0 stroke 1, comma G0 stroke 2. Then we shall say switch port, no negotiate. Enter. So command rejected, conflict between no negotiate and dynamic. configuration mode. Now the administrative mode is what? It's trunk, and the operation mode is what? It's also trunk. Go to the other side. So we have two interfaces there, G0/1 and G0/2. So I'll type show interface G0/1 switch port. So you can see that administrative mode is what? Trunk and trunk. The same command, but for G02, again it is trunk and trunk. Go to switch 3, exit out, exit, show interface G0/2 switch port. So I have trunk, also trunk. The operation mode is trunk, the administrative mode is trunk. DTP is disabled. Now objective number 2, you need to configure in switch 1 Vtp domain CCNA. So I go to switch 1. So this you do in global configuration mode. So conf t Vtp domain CCNA, and we want to create VLAN 10, 20 and 30. So say VLAN 10, enter VLAN 20, enter VLAN 30, enter. Okay, so have switch 1 and switch 2 and 3 added VLANs 20 and 30 to their database. So we need to go and confirm. So go to switch 2. So go to switch 2. In privilege mode, you type show Vtp status. Now, by doing that, you can see the VLAN database is sorry, the Vtp domain name is what? CCNA. And how many VLANs do we have? Now we have 8. The default is what? It's 5. So that means we have added 3 VLANs, VLAN 10, 20 and 30. And now you can check the revision number. Now it's the 3 because we have added 3 VLANs. Show VLAN brief. Now you can see we have VLAN 10, VLAN 20 and VLAN 30 added. Okay. Let's go to switch 3. So I'll type the same command. So show Vtp status. Now the same you can see we have the Vtp domain name of CCNA. We have our 8 number of VLANs and we have our 3 revision number. Show VLAN brief. Now you can also see we have the 3 VLANs added. So that means everything is working fine. Now objective 3, configure switch 2 in Vtp transparent mode. And we need to add VLAN 40 to switch 2. Now we need to confirm if VLAN 40 is added to switch 3 and switch 1. So in VLAN 2, we are going to go to global configuration mode, conf t, shall type Vtp mode transparent, enter. Okay, now we need to create VLAN here, VLAN 40, so shall type VLAN 40, enter. Shall exit out, exit again, show VLAN brief, confirm VLAN 40 is added. Okay. Now let's go to switch 1 to confirm if VLAN 40 is added. Exit out, show VLAN brief, can see we don't have VLAN 40. Let's go to switch 3. So type the command show VLAN brief. You can also confirm VLAN 40 is not added because this is a transparent mode, so it will not advertise its VLAN database to other switches that are connected. Number 4, objective 4, configure switch 3 in Vtp domain client. Then we'll try to configure VLAN 50 on switch 3, and we need to confirm if it is added. So shall go to switch 3, shall go to configure terminal, global configuration mode, and shall type Vtp mode client. Okay, VLAN 50, enter. You can see Vtp VLAN configuration not allowed when device is in client mode. So if you are in client mode, you cannot add VLAN, you cannot delete VLAN, and you cannot modify VLAN as long as the switch is running client mode. But if it is transparent and server mode, you can add. So the answer here is what? It is not added. It is no. Number 5, configure all switch ports connected to n host in correct VLANs. Manually configure them in access mode. And its DTP still enable on those ports. Okay. So we shall start with switch 1. We have facility 0/1, facility 0/2 in VLAN 10. So go to configuration mode. Let's first confirm it's running DTP show interface facility 0/1 switch port. Now here you can see the negotiation is what is on. So this one has to be turned off after we have typed terminal interface French facility 0/1 dash switch port mode access. Now we need to add VLAN 10 to this switch port access VLAN 10. Exit. So we need to confirm again. Show interface facility 0/1 switch port. Now you can see the trunk is turned off because the port is now an access port. Facility 0/2. Also off. Okay, now we're done with switch 1. Let's go to switch 2. In switch 2 we have facility 0/1 and 2 to be configured as an access ports. So I'll click on it, so I'll bring it up. Let's confirm. So interface branch facility 0/1 dash 2 switch port. Okay, it will take one interface at a time. Facility 0/1 switch port. So it is on. 2 it is also on. Now let's go ahead and configure it as an access port. So configure terminal interface facility or interface range is Ethernet 0 stop 1 to 2, switch port mode, access, switch port, access, VLAN 40 rather. Okay, exit out, exit out. and we go outside.